Hi there, car buddies! In this episode, we learn how to change cabin air filter, and stoplight valve. Let's start! Remove the air filter cover box and take off the old air filter. Check whether the filters are of same specifications by eyeball. Put it back in reverse order of removal, and for our cabin air filter, follow the following procedures. Remove the old cabin air filter and replace it with a new one. Next, we'll show how to replace your busted top light bulb. In some cases, staining the bulb with skin oil can substantially shorten the life of the bulb. Handle the bulb only by its base. Using the wedge, remove the bulb electrical wire cover. Remove the old bulb and replace it. Put it back in reverse order of removal. So that's it, car buddies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. See ya!